Today we're going to work on the old laptop. I need to reflow the graphics card. It's overheated, which is typical. They get a little dust in there and poor things can't cool. So what I'm doing is while I'm in there, I want to clean these fans up. And as you can see, they sure need it. Typically you can't get in there with a vacuum, so let's see if we can figure out a better way of doing this. Okay, so what we're going to do is I've got a 1-inch PVC end cap that fits on the end of my hose nozzle, my vacuum nozzle. It's a little bit loose. Let's see if we can shim that up a little bit to give us a better fit. There we go. I think that'll work. Now, in order to accommodate the straw, I went ahead and just went through my bit selection and found a 5/16, which is real close, so check it, and indeed it fits just right. Now we have to figure out a way to hold that straw in there so it doesn't fall out or get sucked out. The guy could glue it, hot glue it, use silicone or something like that, but I want to be able to easily replace this straw in case it gets boogered up. So we all seem to have a bag of these assorted rubber bands laying around the house that are, most of them are virtually useless. However, they do have some little bitty guys in there that might just work really nice for what we're doing here. Let's see, take about 3 wraps on that. That might be too much. No, I think that'll work. Slide that right in our hole there. And take another little rubber band and about 3 wraps on it, if I can get over it. And come on, baby. There we go. Slide it down there, snug it up a little. Okay, there we go. Now, okay, let's try that out. I'm probably going to need a brush of some sort. I've got an old worn out paintbrush that my wife had, didn't need any longer. So let's turn it on and see what happens. Okay, I think we get the idea that that's going to work pretty well. I think that cleaned her up a bunch. I'll go ahead and work on it a little bit more, but anyway, hope this helps. Got in here a little bit deeper, and I wanted to show you the exhaust side of the fan on these cooling fins. You can see how that dust is collected in there. So it'll kind of give you an idea of what you might have inside your computer. Good thing we have a nice handy dandy little vacuum nozzle to clean her out now. Some guys like to blow those out with canned air. I don't really like doing that inside there, but of course, obviously the dust goes in throughout your laptop and your motherboard and whatnot. So anyway, that's how I do it. Hope it helps.